So this is the place, guys, where we were staying in Mumbai, and I just love the cozy vibe and interior over here. This is amazing. It's in a hall area, and this is the view. Uh, and I love this place. So I'm taking you through every location of this place. And this is our room where we were staying. So let's get started. So it's a day one in Mumbai, and we are heading for lunch. Yeah, we are late, but we are dying to eat something amazing. And yeah, so I'll take you through it. So we have been so tired with the long journey in the train, and it was so tiring. But finally, I'm relaxed with a little nap, and now we are heading up for a good food. Let's see what's up with that. So we are searching for a good hotel for lunch, and yeah, Mumbai traffic is Mumbai traffic. Finally, we reached a restaurant, and we have placed our order. I'm so hungry, I can't even start to tell you. The nearest was this restaurant, so we just came and ordered. I can only tell you that I'm so hungry. I can't even start to tell you that. I'm so hungry right now. So our food is here, and I'm damn hungry. Let's get started. So we are done with our lunch. As you can see, we are back in our automobile, and we are on our way to Linking Road, and I'm gonna do some amazing shopping over there. I heard a lot about it, and I'm gonna finally get my hands on Linking Road shopping area, and I'll review that for you guys, how it is, what I'm buying, everything. And yeah, I'll take you guys everywhere with me, so stay tuned. That whenever you are traveling, cover your face when it's where it is very high humid area. That will save your light face and your skin from sunny reason. And yeah, so I'm saving from sunburn, and you can survive for a longer. So we are here. We are in the Linking Road, and let's dive in. It's crowded. So we are here in Linking Road, and this is my huge bag of shopping. So I'm back again, you guys, with an amazing shopping day. I'm so tired because it's too sunny over here, and it's all sweaty. And I'll review the Linking Road stuff for you guys. I expected much more, but I got a few things because I didn't like the material or price of that, because they are offering too much price, and I think I discover more of the markets that I'm going to today itself, and then we'll see, because I think it's a little costly than I expected. But yeah, it was fun shopping, and I'm here with my brother, so he's getting bored. Yeah, he don't like this girl shopping stuff, so he's kind of a little bored. But so today was a free day, so we decided for shopping and like going here and there. So like our engine is recharged with good food, and now it's a sleep time for me, I guess. So we are heading back. And we have started our shopping, and I've filled my bag. Not much, but we are in local market, and let's see what is up. So here's my baby bro, and we are shopping, and I'm so happy. So we are still here, and we are shopping here in Heel Road, and we are in the junk jewelry section. And I haven't bought so much because the price is too costly. for our food. We are in Amber in Lower Parel, and it is the most famous area, and I love their food. I had it before. It's overcrowded here, and it's like a street food thing. We ordered pav bhaji, and it's completely crowded. So we're waiting for our order, and we have all little humidity here. But yeah, it's overcrowded, but the food is awesome and yum. See the yummy yum is here. We're done with our dinner and we're waiting for our cab, and we're still at Amar's, and my tummy is full, guys. The food is amazing here. We had pav bhaji with no pav and only butter. So we are waiting for our cab, and I look a little flushed out because my hair is frizzy here and it's dry a little bit because of train journey. But yeah. So it's day 2 in Mumbai, and we are ready, and we are in cab, and we are heading to Andheri side for some work. And we had our lunch at home only. It was amazing, and finally we got out, and it's little sunny today. Yeah, it's too hot, but the best way to travel in Mumbai is you can go for autos by meter, and if you have like around 5 kilometers of distance. After that you can use cab for until like 10 kilometers, but it will be costly. If you go further, then use local trains. That will be easy. And the food here is amazing, you guys, I'm telling you. So we are like just in search hunt of new places for good food, and we'll try that today. And after some walk we are heading to amazing place that is mall, because I literally wanted to shop in Zara, and I'll show you guys what I'm shopping, how is it like, what are the prices over there. And yeah, so I'm in cab, so ignore that fussy hazy thing. And yeah, this is my Uted. I'm wearing this outfit from Spoil, earrings by Shein, and watch from Daniel Wellington. So yeah, I decided to shop in mall because street shopping is done, and Zara is not available in Raipur, as you guys know that. Yeah, it sucks. This fact sucks. And they don't have a good collection in H&M either. So probably you have to come and shop in the different cities. So I'm gonna go Palladium or Phoenix Market City, because they have all exclusive brands over there, and it's gonna be fun. I'm so excited to get my hands on the beautiful babies, and I'm looking for some blazers, coats, jackets. I hope I get that. Let's see. So see you guys there. Don't let me sit like for a long time in a car. You know that I start sleeping, and I'm so sleepy right now. I'm just controlling. I don't want to look sleepy all over again. Yeah, my face is like So we are in Phoenix Market City Mall, and it is overcrowded as it's Sunday today. And we just had our burger in Domino's, and yeah, had some shopping. I was looking for some good. So we are just hovering around and going to H&M. cab, and the mall is too big to cover in one day. But all amazing luxury brands are here, to phenomenal and reasonable brands also. And yeah, so it was completely full because of Sunday, but I loved it, and I'm literally hungry and tired. So yeah. A blogger is not that easy. Here's the mess. Can you see? It's like my things are covering the entire room. So this is one shoe that I brought. It's like another footwear. This is another, and I found more. And I like bought, I guess, 4 pairs, and I couldn't like decide what to take or what to not. But I'm going with the thousands now because you know me, I love footwears. Space, and yeah, this huge bag is another luggage because it has all my shopping stuff, and some are lying in other bag and some are out in the bed. So, hey guys, it's day 3 in Mumbai, and please ignore my hairs and this specs thing because today is like completely a work thing going on, so I thought to be casual and formal sort of. And so I'm going to a skin doctor today because of my complicated skin problems, and so we have planned to go Alpha. And yeah, but the Alpha is like next level shopping area. It has like low to high range expenses products, and I'm so looking forward for Alpha because I literally need to buy some good bags for myself and my mom. And this is my Ute today, and here's myself. I'm carrying a sling bag, my casual sling bag. I love this bag because it's like spacious plus lightweight, and it can carry a lot of things. Don't go on the size, but it can carry a lot of things and weight. And a water bottle, yes, that is necessary. Then this is my shopping bag that I brought. So the plastic is banned over in Mumbai. The best thing happened in Mumbai, I loved about this, that the shopping bags are available now you have to buy these sort of bags, and these are waterproof bags, and these are of huge size, so you can like store ample amount of your shopping in here. And plus so these bags are amazing, and plus the plastic is banned over here, so no shopkeeper anywhere you will not find a single plastic bag, so that's a plus point. I love that little detailing. So yeah, I bought this one for myself, and I think I have to carry this apart from my bag luggages in airport because I think I will like gain more than 50 kgs in my luggage. Looking for something like a long trench coat sort of thing, but yeah, I expected much more from Zara, but there was nothing good over there. I'm frankly speaking, like related to trench coat, I saw like 2 to 3 over there, but they were good in looks, but it wasn't good when I wore that. I'll show it to you guys. So it's wide trafficking today, heavy traffic day, every time, every day, everywhere. And we are heading towards Andheri, and we were at Goregaon before, and after doing our work, and I got an appointment for my skin checkup, but couldn't go there because line was too long, the wait was too long. Then we skipped that, and now we are here. Yes, you can probably can't see me because it's dark now, and it's too crowded, guys. I'm so fucked up right now. Literally, I don't feel like traveling anymore. I think that personally that Mumbai is overrated. It's completely overrated just because of that film city or film star things or something else. And yeah, people say that there are many career options over here. I agree upon that because it's a huge city with a lot of opportunities and career options, but I frankly believe that there is nothing more than traveling. You just have to travel, and there is no life. people used to say that there is no life, but personally, when I'm traveling back and forth like a local light here, I realized completely it's a waste of time to just go for a one thing. You have to travel for hours and come back and forth. So it's like I don't like that thing. And as a Raipurian, I feel so blessed to be born at that place. It's like I'm having a life over there. I'm peaceful living there, and it's okay, fine to come sometime for walk or do whatever, but it's a hell over there. But so yeah, we are heading over to my Taichi's place for meet up and dine and all, and we will be heading back home because our bodies got to charge again, babe. It's like a whole day struggle, and we visited a lot of place for thing we are working on today, and I shopped a lot today. Then I forgot to mention that we were at Alpha Market, and I couldn't show you the market, guys, because of we didn't had much time. I had to literally just within half an hour go back. So yeah. Din done at family. So we are in shopping area, and we are, where are we? I always forget this name. We are in Linking Road, and can you see the crowd? It's full. So this is complete Linking Road, and I went ahead for second time because I need to exchange. The quality is very poor. So it's a day 4, and I'm again in the cab. It's hot in here today. It's completely too sunny, and it's like Bombay style. It's too hot today. It's hard to stand beneath the sun because I don't know about the weather, but it started sticky and humid. And we just left from Linking Road, and we are heading up towards RTC Mall, right? R City Mall. We are leaving for R City Mall because I bought few things from H&M and I need to. So yeah, today we started our day late. We left at like just around like 1 hour back, around 4, and so we wasted our time there. But now we are leaving for mall. Yeah, we planned for Juhu today, but it wasn't possible. But let's see. H&M, my favorite brand, and here I go shop again. So I look like sleepy because it's a long drive in a cab. As you know, I get sleepy. So we are here in RTC Mall, and okay, he's correcting me. What is that?
City Mall.
It's R City Mall, and I pronounce it wrong every time. So we are sitting right here near Taco Bell, and we ordered our taco. So we are trying burrito and taco for the first time, and let's see how is the experience. But I'm so excited, I'm so hungry, and here's the entire mall. Can you see that? It's a food court, and I'll review the food for you guys. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys. So here's the Taco Bell, and we are sitting in the food court, and it's a chain sort of thing, and we are trying. I have tried taco before, but it's a complete specialized chain for taco and burrito. So burrito is the first time I'll try. And so our meal is here, and we get unlimited Coke from their side. It's a complimentary sort of thing if you take a meal. So we took a meal for burrito. It's a 7-layer or classic meal. It's a classic burrito with french fries and a Coke, and it's unlimited Coke. And this is paneer taco and it looks yum, and I'll start. So guys, after having the taco, I'm telling you, the taste was very bad, and my brother is literally laughing right now that we ordered that. It was, the bill was around for all the meal and taco. The bill was of around 500, but it wasn't worth at all, guys. It was worst taco and the taste ever. I will never suggest. Even if you like it, you won't like. You shouldn't come and buy. It's not good. So yeah, the review is that we have to eat it, and I eat it. The taste matters a lot for me, but it wasn't good. So yeah. Also, this amazing Karan Singh grower, we met him randomly in a store, and Vipasha was also there. So guys, oh my god, we are at Juhu, and I thought it would be like good because last time I visited I was here at like around evening 6 or 7, and oh my freaking god, look at the crowd, and it is working day, not even a weekend. I thought I could click with some good pictures, but look at the mess. People were right about the Juhu beach. It's not so pretty. It's overcrowded, and you can see this. But I literally wanted to come in a sunset time because I love beaches, but horrible crowd. So we are having bhel, and the weather is good. So after a spicy chaat, that was amazing. I'm having nariyal pani specialty here, and I think the season is off or something. It's not that sweet, but it's amazing. And it's still crowded, but the weather is amazing, you guys. The chapati area, and it's full of food, and I'm so excited. Can you see the food over here? My mother is having the dahi puri. Sev puri? हाँ, एक सेव पूरी है. मिर्ची नहीं रहेगा, मीठा थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर दें. It's too spicy now. It's me, completely casual, and I'm so feeling spicy right now. The gupchup was very spicy, but it was yum. Now I'll have the sev puri. Sev puri is here, and I said him not to add any mirchi or its spices. So it's good. That's spicy. It's amazing. Guys, it's a big chaat center over here, and they have variety, and I'm so hungry. And I ordered the mango chaat over here. My carry is here. What? My carry chaat is here. This is kacha mango. And yum. Craving for something sweet, and we are in the bakery. And they have an amazing section of brownies. So I ordered the overloaded brownie, and and ordered a walnut too, so I'll try. I want to eat them all. This place is so cute. Brownies here. Let's eat it. So this is my second round for overloaded brownie. This is the one of the most famous and authentic bakeries over here, and I was dying to have something, and this is my second round. I'll miss Mumbai. This is my last day here, and yeah, and I think I have to pay extra this time because shopping was too much. So my luggage is full, plus the weight is extra now. So this is Zoopted. I feel like a denim day today, and my eyes are swell because of like I just woke up and got ready and rushed to the airport. But yeah, so this is my last day in Mumbai, and this was the first time I was vlogging, and I guess I was entertaining or I was good at it. I will try my best for the best good video for the next time. And yeah, my voice is little so because I don't know, I woke up and got ready and hurry up to the airport. I had a little breakfast, but I think I'll be hungry because my flight is at around 2 or 2:30, and it's the lunchtime, and Indigo is like, Indigo doesn't provide any food. We had to search flat as my brother was shifting over here, so something like that. But yeah, Amchi Mumbai is good, but it's like quite, it's just the fact that traveling will suck you in. So yeah, and I'm wearing this layered thingy because I feel so cold in airport. The AC is too high in flight, so I just had to wear it. Sometimes it's low, but sometimes it's like the AC is too high and cold, so I had to like cover up later. If I won't, then I'll take it out. Sorry. Bye bye Mumbai. Also, way back home, I met Sayani Gupta, this pretty, shared same seat.